friends, welcome to my channel, Adia Sherelle. I am showing you this trending hairstyle right now. It is the Fulani twist. I've been seeing this with Senegalese twist, but I did it with passion twist. And guess what, y'all? I did not spend time. I do not have time. I cannot commit to individuals right now. So I did crochet. And what I did was the invisible method that I've done before, my last video. So I am going to show you step by step, detail by detail on how I achieved these Fulani braids, but with a twist, literally with twist. Make sure you subscribe to the tribe. I love to build community and talk about all things hair, beauty, lifestyle, all of that. So keep watching and I'll see you at the end. I am going in with Rastafri, their Egyptian Passion Twist. This is in the hair color 30. I'm also using Outre Expression in their 42 inch, and it is pre-stretched, so that comes in handy. So let's start with the parting. Just wanted to show you, I have prepped the hair. It works perfectly. Get you one of these. I got one on Amazon. I have an Amazon storefront, so check that out with all of my tools. I'm going to start off with a part from ear to ear. I'm separating the back from the front. The front will have the cornrows and the back will be the crochet. So I'm going right at the tip of the ear and then just going straight up. And then start off the part right where you left off and then go across the top of your head. And then I'm going to check and see if I need to clean up the part. So when we get to the other side, I just want to make sure I come out at the tip of my ear. And then bring it down till it comes out on the tip of my ear. Well, now we have everything parted out. I'm going to start with the cornrows in the front first and then do the crochet braids. If you want to see the crochet portion first, fast forward. Started at the top of the temple, kind of at the temple above the brow. So I'm going to go down first. Okay, that's how we're going to make this. This is how we're going to do the swoop. And then I'm going to go up and make a part straight up going all the way across. And so I'm just cleaning this part up. Okay, I'm gonna have them all stop right at this point, this section. Whenever I'm doing braids, this is what I use. Extreme gel and lock-in, that is my combo. I'm just going to put a little bit of gel, just a little bit of gel. And just put it all through the roots of this section, like so. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of lock-in. What I do is take a really tiny piece right in the front. You split it into three. Three sections like that. You put your index finger underneath the middle section and grab the outside. Okay? You take your index finger, go underneath the middle section and grab the outside. When I go underneath the middle part, I'm going to take a little bit of hair when I grip it to the center. Okay? Now I'm going to take a piece of braiding hair. I'm going to hold it into my hands like this. I'm going to go under my index finger. I'm pinching it. I'm connecting it right here to the outside piece, and I'm going under the middle piece, gripping here. Okay? I'm going to do that one more time. Grab my hair like this. Go underneath, pinch it with this. Connect it to the outside and go under the middle. And I'm going to continue braiding like that. And it is a curve, so you want to curve with the part. You want to keep going. And I am doing this blind, so hopefully this looks right. So I just took a little bit of gel and pomade. I mixed it together because I want this to be smooth. I'm gonna add another piece of braiding hair. We are finished with the first braid. So for now, I'm just gonna twist this up. We're gonna come back to this. So that's one braid down. Okay, so now we are going to do the next part. So you wanna go down on the diagonal and you wanna kind of meet at this point. So go down, okay? And then you want to go up and you'll have a little bit of a curve and you'll just clean that up. You almost, the rat tail's like drawing a little bit if you had a pencil in your hand. So think of it like that. And then I'm just gonna drag this rat tail all the way to the other side. So I have my second part here. This is what it looks like. It's going all the way across. And if you still haven't gotten the hang of feeding cornrows, I have another video on it. It looks like we're gonna make it kind of chunky right here. And then braid it across like that. Part it across like this. What we've been doing. For this chunky area, I'm just gonna split that in half. So I'm gonna go in here. We're just gonna work with this section right in here. So we're gonna go do a diagonal like this. Just going forward, just a diagonal part. Okay, like so. So pretty much you're just making like a bowl. So it's like a bowl, a crescent, like that, okay? Let's try this out. Make it easier, clip all of this away for now. Man, if I didn't have these nails, it would be so much easier. Okay. Once you get that, then you're gonna braid it the rest of the way. So I'm just gonna pick up where I left off. Okay, I'm gonna add a little piece of hair. With this part, we are back to the basics. It's just the regular swoop part, as you can see. Just gonna braid that and I'll be right back. Now that we're near the top, we're gonna start bringing it down this way, like so. So I'm gonna start here and bring it to this point, like that. Okay? Got my clip. I'm just gonna clip away this second half. We're gonna braid that later. So now I'm taking away this clip. I'm going to braid the other half. I pick up just the outer edge of the corner, like just the smallest part of the corner, and then start braiding. So switching up the direction. Okay, so I have this one section here. I'm going to make 2 cornrows. Okay, I am all finished with the braids. I am taking my crochet passion twist. I am going to unravel it. Okay, like so. And then I am going to add the twist to my hair. So how I do that is I split this in 2. There's 3 sections, so I split the middle one into 2. Okay. I take the passion twist. I'm trying to see where it's centered, right? I take that, combine it with the 2, and then I start doing a Senegalese twist. So I'm twisting, rotating first, then overlapping. I'm just going to add a little gel as I go down. Okay. And you want to twist it pretty tight. My natural texture does not match this passion twist hair. So once I get past my hair, then I do it loose like a passion twist. All the way down. Like so. All the way down. And then I twirl it. And then I have the twist right here. So I'm going to keep going until I do this whole section up here. Okay, I am all finished with the front, the cornrows. Now it's time for the crochet. I'm going to split my hair into 3 rows. Okay, I have my 3 rows. I'm going to split this in half. Start off with an individual braid, and don't do it too tight because we need to be able to loop the crochet hair through the base of your braid. Okay, and then I'm going to join this into this section here. And again, remember, not too tight. Okay, now that that's done, we're going to repeat the process the next 2 rows. So I am done with these 3 rows. And now we're going to braid everything. So I'm going to cut out a circle or even like a square kind of all around the perimeter, because I want to be able to wear my hair up too. So that's one section. I'm going to put this middle section in a ponytail. Do an individual here. To see, I did all of the top. All right. Now we just have the middle. Now we just have the center section. I am going to do some straight backs. Let's get into it. So I'm just making sure I braid in all of the individual braids. Make sure you don't miss any because it's like you'll be doing it all over again. You'll have to take everything out. And who wants those problems? We don't want those type of issues. Lord Jesus, it is getting thick up in here, up in here. Okay. Now that the back is all done, I'm just going to crochet the loose ends throughout my hair. Okay. We are all in there. And now for the easy part, I'm just going to loop this through the cornrows. So you want to slide the crochet needle while it's open. Go ahead and loop the crochet hair through, close the clasp, slide it through. For twists, passion twists, I just open it up with my fingers and then loop it through myself. Because I don't want to spend like all day on my hair anymore, crochet braids really save the day. If there's a part, even if with this I had to cornrow the front, fine. But oh yeah, I'm gonna find a way to crochet. We're gonna find a way. Okay, so I already started to fill in the front, and I'm going to continue with that process. Y'all, I'm so happy I tried this trending hairstyle. I love it so much, and it was much faster doing it with the crochet method. Make sure you subscribe to the tribe, and thanks for watching.